Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will discuss about the topic that is occurrence of metals of class 10th and subject will be chemistry. जैसा कि आपको पता है कि हम metals और non metals study कर रहे तो we are continuing with that chapter. So आज का जो topic है we will discuss about the occurrence of metals. In this topic we will discuss about the presence of metals, where metals are present, where from they are obtained. So students, first of all, the major source of the metals in the universe is the Earth's crust. So Earth's crust जो है, Earth's crust is the major source of metals. Mostly metals are obtained from Earth's crust. A very few metals are obtained from the seawater, but most of the important source of this metals is the Earth's crust. Mostly these are obtained from the Earth's crust. Generally in this Earth's crust, metals are present in two states, either in native state or in combined state. Native state is that state in which metals exist freely. That is free state of metals. Whereas in combined state, metals are combined with some other elements and results in the form of compounds or other substances. So mostly the metals exist in the combined states. However, some less reactive metals like the gold, platinum, copper, they are also present in the native state. So some less reactive metals exist in native state. Mostly metals exist in the combined state in the form of a special type of compound that is known as ores or minerals. So we can say that in Earth's crust, metals are present in the form of a special type of compound which is known as mineral or ore. So now we will discuss about minerals and ores. These minerals are the naturally occurring substances or the naturally occurring compounds in which metals are present. So the naturally occurring materials in which metals are present and they are obtained from the Earth's crust. So these are the naturally occurring substances. Minerals are the naturally occurring substances in which metals and their compounds are present. Metals or their compounds are present. So there are large examples of minerals. For example, calcium carbonate, that is limestone, it's a mineral. Chalk is a mineral. Rock salt is a mineral. Alumina, these are the examples of minerals. But generally we cannot obtain metals from all minerals, because अगर हमें metals obtain करने होंगे, minerals में तो metals present होते हैं, लेकिन कुछ minerals ऐसे होते हैं from which metals cannot be obtained easily. So there are some minerals from which we can obtain metals profitably, which takes less time, less energy to obtain the metal. So such minerals from which metals can be obtained profitably or conveniently, such minerals are known as ores. So ores are a special type of minerals. Ores are the minerals from which metals can be extracted conveniently, that is easily and profitably. Different metals have different ores. So here we will discuss about the ores of some common metals. Ores of some common metals. Aluminium. We will first of all discuss about the ores of aluminium. The most important ore of aluminium is bauxite ore. That is aluminum oxide. So most important ore of aluminum is bauxite ore. Al2O3 2 times water. So this is the bauxite ore from which we can obtain the aluminum metal. Second one, we will discuss about the ore of iron. Bauxite ore is an oxide ore. So iron का जो है इसके बहुत सारे important ores है, but the most important ore of iron is the hematite ore, that is iron oxide. Hematite ore, that is Fe2O3. It's also the oxide ore. So we can easily obtain iron from this hematite ore. Similarly, the most important ores of zinc. There are two most important ores of zinc, that is the zinc blende. It is a sulfide ore, that is ZNS, and another is the calamine ore, that is a zinc carbonate. It is known as the calamine ore or zincate. So this is carbonate ore and this is sulfide ore. So these are the ores of zinc. Now copper. The most important ore of copper is copper glans and cuprite. Cuprite is the most important ore of copper, that is copper oxide. It is oxide ore of copper. And another is cuprite. Another is this copper glans. It is also the sulfur ore, that is Cu2S. It's the sulfide ore. So it is sulfide ore and cuprite is the oxide ore. So these are the important ores of copper. Now another one is the ore of mercury. Mercury, as you know, is the only liquid metal. Its ore is obtained from a common ore. It's an important ore, that is cinnabar. Cinnabar is the most important ore of this mercury. It is also the sulfide ore, that is Gs. So students, these were about the ores of some important metals, and we have discussed about minerals and ores. Now in the next topic we will discuss about the processes involved in the extraction of metals from these ores, that is the metallurgy. Thank you. Have a nice day.